And the bitter cold did not stop thousands from protesting outside the Supreme Court in support of the Daca program, which allowed immigrants brought here illegally as children to remain and work in the U.S. if they met strict requirements. Hundreds of high school students walked out of class in Los Angeles as part of the protests. Jan Crawford reports the justices heard arguments today in a landmark case that could affect hundreds of thousands, and that decision could come smack dab in the middle of next year's presidential race.
Supporters of Daca emerged from the court hopeful, but during 80 minutes of arguments, the justices appeared divided, with no clear signs on how the court will rule. Liberal justices were sympathetic to arguments that it should block President Trump's efforts because the administration failed to clearly explain why it was ending the Obama-era program. Justice Sonia Sotomayor pointed to mixed messages from President Trump, initially telling DACA-eligible people that they were safe under him and that he would find a way to keep them here. And then, "I'll give you 6 months to destroy your lives." Conservative justices were harder to read, but most seemed to want to avoid a ruling that would embroil courts in second-guessing future presidents' explanations for administrative decisions. Justice Neil Gorsuch, what more would you have the government say?
DACA is a very, very difficult subject for me.
The president announced in 2017 he was rescinding DACA, which he claimed President Obama had created with an illegal executive action. The program protected some 700,000 people who came here illegally as children, the so-called Dreamers, from deportation. According to a government study, 90% of them work and 45% are enrolled in school. Dreamers like pre-K teacher Karen Reyes. She came to the U.S. when she was 2 years old and will never forget the day DACA was announced.
Oh my God, this means I don't have to be fearful when I'm driving. I can work.